Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make these beautiful flowers using pipe cleaner. So let's start. First we are going to make the petal of the flower. So we are going to take this pink color of pipe cleaners and tie knot using these small pieces. Bend all of them and look, your petal is ready. We are also fixing it using this fire. So take a lighter and look, it's done. Now we are going to color it using this yellow color. Similar way we are going to make the middle flower using this yellow pipe cleaner. Add some seeds, bend it and make the leaves as well. So bend the green color of pipe cleaner and tie a knot at one end. Now we are going to make two such leaves and attach all of them around this green stick. Make more such petals and cover it and tie a knot using this green color of pipe cleaner, and look, your flowers are ready. Let's make these beautiful red color of flowers using pipe cleaner. For that we are going to make small pieces of the pipe cleaners and tie knot on this large red pipe cleaner like this. Now we are going to attach all of them on one end and tie a knot like this. Bend it using your thumb and look, your flower petal is ready. Make four such petals. Similar way we are going to tie a knot and make the leaf as well using green pipe cleaner. Pull the cleaners downward, tie a knot, make two such leaves. After this we are going to combine all of them like we are doing here around this stick, and we are going to first attach all the petals one after another like this. Now take a green floral tape and cover the leaves as well on its sides, and look, your beautiful flowers are ready. Bend the petals and give it shape, and look, it's done. We are going to make these beautiful flowers. So take this red color of pipe cleaner. First we are going to bend it, make a hole like this, tie a knot. Similar way we are going to make a large hole and we are going to pull it upward. Here we are going to make a shape of heart. After this we are going to fill the entire space using this red color of pipe cleaner. So we are going to put it on this small hole and cover it like we are doing here. Put it over again and again and cover the entire leaf like petal, and look, it's done. After this we are going to bend the top portion as well. Now we are going to put this yellow color of pipe cleaner at the center. Measure it. Now bend it and make a thick stick like this. Cut the extra hair and paste it at the center using hot glue gun and cover it using floral tape, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.